Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm super excited. I'm trying Megalook Hair for the first time in this fabulous little bob that I have here. So we're just gonna jump right into it. It has your standard two combs in the front, one in the back, your adjustable straps, and an extra strap for security, which I love that wigs are doing nowadays. So I'm just gonna try it on just to see like how well it fits. And off the back, I could already tell you it's big head friendly. So for my big head girls out there, this is good for you. It has your standard 4x4 closure, so you can't do much with it, but for this style, I think it's perfect. I'm not gonna pluck the hairline or nothing like that. I'm just gonna cut baby hairs. So I'm gonna cut the lace and come back. Okay, so here I am, and I'm gonna cut my baby hairs. And I just want to tell you that the hair is really soft, really like manageable, and I believe the length is 8 inches. You know, I really wanted a short look, so this is perfect. It's a little bumped in the back, which I like. So we're gonna hook this unit up. And I forgot my scissors, so I'm gonna cut it off screen. Okay, so I'm back, and basically I'm going to stop talking and just let you guys watch how I styled it. You see me playing around a lot with it because it's like the first time that I've had a really short unit like this, so it's really cute and I got really carried away, so my bad in advance. But yeah, just sit back and watch, and I'll catch you at the end of the video with my final thoughts. So yeah guys, this is basically the end of my video. As you can tell, I'm freaking obsessed with this little bob. It's perfect for summer. It's super easy, like no shedding, no tangling. This is a unit that's probably gonna last you a long time. And yeah guys, what's not to love? If you had any doubts, I say get it. It was 2-day shipping, under $50. I use Amazon. I'm gonna leave everything in the description box. But yeah guys, thank you so much for watching. I'm gonna just be here hyping myself up with my little bob. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.